Presenting the new Eureka Forbes iVac Robotic Vacuum Cleaner. The box contains one remote, auto-charging dock, two sets of cleaning brushes, two microfiber cloths, one user manual and one HEPA filter. Keep the auto dock station in such a place where there are no obstacles within 1 meter radius. You can use all its functions through the given remote with ease. With the navigation buttons, you can navigate it anywhere you want. Its powerful suction helps clean the tiniest dry particles with ease. Wet mopping is ideal for spillage and everyday mopping. Just remove the water tank, add water and attach the microfiber cloth. The microfiber cloth cleans juice, tea and other spills or stains off the floor with ease. It's designed to clean all types of surfaces, be it wooden, marble or carpet. Its anti-fall sensors prevents it from falling off any high ground. The robo reaches the most difficult corners of the house with ease. On full charge, it can clean continuously for 80 to 90 minutes. Its 9 real-time sensors prevent it from colliding with obstacles and ensure smooth operation. On auto cleaning mode, the robo cleans the house on its own. On spiral mode, it cleans the house in a circular motion. Through edge cleaning mode, the robo cleans the corners of the house meticulously. On zigzag cleaning mode, the robo cleans the entire house very efficiently. Spot cleaning mode is perfect for those stubborn stains in a particular spot. You can schedule the robo for automated cleaning as per your convenience. If you want the robo to start cleaning after 3 hours, set the timer on the remote and the robo will start cleaning 3 hours later. When the battery is low, the robo returns to the charging dock automatically. Once fully charged, it's ready to clean again. Get yourself the iVac Robotic Vacuum Cleaner and make time for things you love. It's very simple to clean the robo. Just remove the dust tank, and empty the waste. Clean the HEPA filter with the provided cleaning brushes.